Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. STC rating is the lie on your panel label. You bought 600 watts, but the field delivers 278. Manufacturers measure at 25 degrees Celsius, 1,000 watts per square meter, 0 wind, and 0 soiling. Temperature coefficient minus 0.38% per degree. Celsius means a panel at 65 degrees loses about 15%. Add soiling ratio degradation of roughly 0.5% daily in dust-prone climates, and you are down another few percent. Add a bypass diode failure that only triggers at peak irradiance, and you get a hidden multi-kilowatt leak. This is the live ClearSpot AI interface, scanning a 5 megawatt string array right now. Most human inspectors inspect at 9 a.m. and never find faults that only trigger at solar noon. The fault only triggers at 1100 watts per square meter at solar noon. Our Mavic 3 T-Pass, processed by ClearSpot AI in under 20 minutes, gives GPS-tagged fault ID, string-level voltage drop, and a maintenance priority ranking. 4 compounding leaks are at work: STC inflation, thermal derating, soiling drift, and hidden bypass diode failure. And we still have not talked about the one that can void your warranty. Magnetic north misalignment can be 3 degrees, and that costs about 1.2% annual yield compounding. Check your warranty clause 7.3 for maintenance log requirements and thermal inspection records. No thermal inspection record and your degradation warranty claim may already be void. Stop guessing your yield and run this exact scan on your first 5 megawatts for free at ClearSpot AI, because your panel label says 600 watts and that is the lie. The field delivers 278 watts. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.